Hey everyone, today I will introduce our integrated chassis to you on our diligence production line. We all know that there is an eternal debate between integrated chassis and split chassis. Today, I will show you the advantages of our farm ATV big frame on the production line. Maybe many people don't know what is an integral chassis and what is a split chassis. What I can show you today on the production line is one of our farm ATV's integrated chassis. And why is it called an integrated chassis? Follow my camera and you'll see. The design of the integrated chassis is a steel frame that is a hole from front to back. Then there are some load-bearing points inside which are formed by welding. The position of the front and rear of the split chassis are combined from both sides and then welded. There is something to be said about welding. Our welding is high-precision welding by robot arms, and the precision is far stronger than ordinary manual welding. All of the welding on the load-bearing points of this farm ATV's frame is done using a robot arms, which greatly improves its precision. All the load-bearing points in the frame of this farm ATV's chassis are welded by a robot arm, which greatly improves its precision. These load-bearing points are evenly distributed to our main beams, and the bearing capacity of this main beam is very strong. The thickness of the main beam of our current farm ATV is 20 to 25 millimeters, whereas a regular chassis generally uses 10 to 15 millimeters. So our chassis is 10 millimeters thicker than the ordinary chassis, thereby greatly improving its carrying capacity. The rated load capacity is 500 kilograms of cargo. Our chassis has not changed at all after the drop test. There are no cracks or breaks anywhere on the integrated chassis. Our chassis has been thoroughly tested, and in the video, you can see the results of our drop test, where there was no change in the main beam after the drop. There were no cracks or fractures anywhere on the integrated chassis. So, family, if you have any thoughts about integrated or split chassis, feel free to share your views in the comment section.